Hey, movie fans! Exciting news coming your way. Vong Navarro just announced a brand new project with the amazing Bea Alonzo, and they're teaming up with some legendary actors and a renowned director. Vong took to Instagram on Friday to share this exciting snap with Bea Alonzo, veteran actors Joey Marquez and Joel Tor, and director Eric Mati. You might remember Mati as the director of Vong's 2004 comedy hit, Gagamboy. Finally, madidirect ulit ni Direk Eric Mati since Gagamboy. Maraming salamat sa tiwala. Excited na ako, Direk. Ibinahagi din ni Direk Eric Mati ang kanyang pananabik sa social media na nagpapahiwatig ng isang masaya at magiliw na muling pagsasama. Nagkita lang kita. Nagkwentuhan. Nagkamustahan. Masaya. Next time ulit, Vong, Song, Joel, and B. Vong's last big screen appearance was in Mang Kepwing, ang lihim ng banda ng itim, part of the Metro Manila Film Festival in 2020. Now, he's back and ready to bring more excitement to the silver screen. Manatiling nakatutok para sa higit pang mga update sa kapanapanabik na bagong proyektong ito. Huwag kalimutang mag-like, magkomento, at mag-subscribe para sa mga pinakabagong balita at mga behind-the-scene na silid. See you soon, movie buffs! Abangan kita sa susunod na update.